In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your iPad as a computer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up a desktop-like experience on your iPad. To do this, you will usually connect it to an external display and add peripherals. Even though the external display connection is optional, it is, in my opinion, what is going to give you the most immersive experience. So usually this will be done by a USB cable, so all that you have to do is plug a USB cable to your iPad and then the other end goes into your monitor, usually which is going to be HDMI. If your monitor also supports Thunderbolt, you can also do that connection using that cable instead. Basically, you need to choose one of these two connection types, either Thunderbolt or HDMI, and connect your iPad to your monitor. When you connect an iPad to an external monitor, it will begin mirroring all of your screen immediately. And after that is done, you can set up additional options when you go into the settings. Sometimes, depending on the monitor that you use, you will also see this message here, Stage Manager with an external display. So most iPad models can actually be used in conjunction with external displays. It's not just going to mirror its screen, it's also going to give you additional features like this dock and other different options. So you can choose continue or the option to use the basic screen mirroring, whatever you prefer. If this option does not appear, that's okay, you will still be able to use your iPad on the external monitor without any issues. If you go over to the settings, you should also see your external display connected here and you can control the arrangement. So if you like to have your monitor at the right side of the iPad, on top of the iPad, at the left, and so on, you can control all of this here. Now you connect the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse by going over to the Bluetooth peripherals and you will be able to use your iPad as essentially a desktop computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to use iPad as computer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.